Notpixel is going to be the next big airdrop on Telegram. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can maximize your earnings, because I still see that a lot of you are still confused or you don't know what is really going on this Notpixel. So I'm going to show you how you can maximize your earnings on it so you can get the highest profits. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you pick the link, register. If you're watching from YouTube, you can get the link from the description box of the video, or you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel for more details. Now, once you're on this page, you get a picture like this. This is what displays on the home page normally. So the first thing you want to do is to maximize your earnings, you can click on this picture. Look at this picture logo here. So you click on it to open it. Then you go to this catalog. On this page, you can select any of the provided images. For me, I'm going to be selecting dogs. Let me pick on these dogs, then select template. And it is added. Look at this success message, black. So let me just X from here. Now, this is just one way of selecting a template, and these ones are the templates they provided. If you want to add your own template, for instance, if I have a picture that I want to put myself, I can simply click on this My Template, and then I can click here to create a template. Now look at one that I have created and add already. This one is a picture of tomatoes airdrop. So this one that I added now, I can share it to you guys. I can copy this link now and share. From time to time, I might be dropping templates that I create so that you guys can join and earn more on it. But then this is just a way of you adding your picture. So if I click on this create template now, I can pick a picture from my folder, but I don't want to do that here. So let me just X from this page and exit. So now, scrolling down, I'll go to this back, and the template I just added now, look at it, from the list of the ones they provided. So I'll click on it, and here it is here. So what I want to do now is to zoom in, and they are black and they are white basically. So I want to be painting black. So let me change this my color now to black. And all right, so I'll select on this, select on any of this color, paint black, and you can see 9.5. Select on this again, paint black. Okay, this one I got 0. So basically paint 9.5 like that. Sometimes you can earn as high as 12 for each painting. What you basically have to do is be fast. You keep painting, and there's a limited amount of paint you can do in a day. And as you can see, my balance is increasing as I paint forward. So that's just basically the easy way to earn on it. And this is what you are doing daily on this platform. It is easy. Other ways to maximize your earnings include referrals. You invite people to it. And all you simply have to do is click on this toggle button above here. And you can see here is a referral link. So you can copy this link and share. And in case if you haven't joined, the link is going to be in the description box of this video. Or if you're watching from TikTok, check my bio. You see a link there where you can copy it and simply do your registration.